Okay, I'm going to show you really simply how to submit a written statement as an assignment. Okay, so you're going to go to your course, or an alternative over here, you can check the assignment that is upcoming. If you have a long list, it might not always show up. It always works if you go into your course. Go into your course, get to the correct assignment, okay, and I want to submit it. Okay. Now, for this assignment, you were asked to simply send in a statement. So I'm going to say, I watched the Pearson video and turned it in. Because remember, you had to watch the whole video, then in the top, you had to click the check mark and then click turn it in. So this is saying I did in fact do that. I'm going to submit this. It shows up that I submitted it, and I am all set.